We all have this invisible organ, and it grows as we grow older. It's like a glue that keeps our body stuck in one place. Yes, I'm talking about laziness. Whenever the flower of motivation starts to bloom in my thick brain, this invisible organ cuts its roots. I was a person with ambition and a will to shine, but I started imagining more and working less. My body stopped taking any load. Even cleaning my own room started feeling like a big chore. I can barely do anything right apart from breathing. This invisible organ has spread inside me like a spider web. Now it feels too late to cut its roots because its branches are countless and they don't even need roots to survive anymore. My own family and friends started to feel like enemies because as soon as they open their mouths to say something, I get angry thinking they will ask me to do something. And I will have to move my fragile body. A few months back, I was at least happy that my brain wasn't lazy. I mean, it was just working the way I wanted. It kept me entertained with imagination, fueled delusions, and gave me fake hope that everything would be fine one day, that I would get opportunities or money without doing anything. But now, even my brain is affected. The invisible organ has reached there too. My power of positive thinking and the creativity I had have disappeared without leaving any trace. This organ is more dangerous than a drunk elephant because it destroys you before destroying anyone else. But now that I have identified the problem, I already have half of the solution. I am a creature made by God, powerful and intelligent. Laziness is a part of me. I am not a part of laziness. I will cut its branches by giving it pain. I'm not a psychopath, but it deserves to be destroyed. I have already lost a lot of my assets because of this. And by assets, I mean time. So I started with taking small walks after eating. It's hard because I just want to lie down when my stomach is full. But I remind myself that the branches are growing, and so is my belly fat. Feel free to share tricks to make this invisible organ extinct.